Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahman Tri Sulistyo with student ID 1622038. Today, I will make a presentation about the final research project, which is a requirement for me to get a bachelor degree. Entitled Teaching Writing Through Process Genre Approach Method Using Analytical Exposition. Previously, I would like to thank Supervisor Mr. Acep Haryudin MPD and Supervisor 2 Mr. Yana SPD MHUM, because thanks to their help and guidance, I can complete and explain my final research project at this point. Apart from that, I also want to thank the teaching staff and lecturer of IKIP Siliwangi who have provided guidance while I was a student at IKIP Siliwangi. Teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number one, writing is a critical aspect of teaching English. Writing is writing is a skill that must be mastered by students to be able to develop other skills. Writing is a basic skill to help students carry out the process of learning activities in the classroom. By mastering writing skill, students are expected to be able to learn other skills such as reading, listening. Number two, interview with teacher and researcher experience when carrying out teaching internship activity. The process of determining the title was motivated by the interview process that had been carried out beforehand with the tutor teacher when the research was carrying out activities to become an apprentice teacher. Even when they were apprentice teacher, the researchers saw the actual situation in the field that students experience problem in carrying out English learning activities, especially in writing skills. Number three, solution. The use of process genre approach method using analytical exposition will minimize student difficulties in learning writing. Researchers hope that the use of process genre approach method using analytical exposition will minimize student difficulties in learning writing. Can be a positive solution to help students improve their understanding, especially writing skill in learning English. Research question in this research is to know. Number one, how the scenario and the implementation of teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number two, how the response of the teacher and student toward teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number three, what are the difficulties that will be faced by the student of teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. The objective of the research in this research are: number one, to know the scenario and the implementation of teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number two, to know the response of the teacher and student toward teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number three, to find out the student difficulties in teaching writing through process genre approach method using analytical exposition. Number one method. Research use the descriptive qualitative method in the process of working on and completing this research. Number two, research subject. The subject in this study were 30 students of 10th grade senior high school at one of the high school in West Bandung Regency. Number three, instrument. In this research used four instruments in the data collection process. These instruments were lesson plan, questionnaire, observation checklist, and student test. The implementation of teaching scenario. In this researchers used teaching scenario which were implementation in 3 meetings. At each meeting, the research was accompanied by the tutor who observed each meeting and wrote down important events on the observation checklist. Teacher and student respond. To find out the response from teacher and student, researchers use student questionnaire and observation checklist filled by teacher. The data was taken when the last meeting was over. Number three, student difficulties. From this research, researchers want to know the difficulties experienced by students. This data was taken from student test and questionnaire at the last meeting. Implementation of learning as planned. From the process of teaching scenario, the implementation of learning activities was carried out well from the first meeting or the third meeting. Process genre approach method using analytical exposition helps students to minimize difficulties in doing learning writing. This was reinforced by learning process carried out, the results of the student test, and the observation checklist that were filled in when the research implement learning activities. The use process genre approach method using analytical exposition makes students more active in the learning process in the classroom. This can be seen when the learning activities take place, as well as the observation made by the tutor during in learning process as outlined in the observation checklist. The research received and positive response from student and teacher. In the process of questionnaire, student test, and observation sheet, the researchers conclude that these research process receive positive response from both teacher and student, especially in the learning process of writing skill. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.